Watch the fire alarm going off in this building up here. Hey buddy, is there actual fire in the building? Never is. Okay. Look like it's a false alarm here. But I saw what, 3 or 4 fire trucks here. Looks like everybody's outside. Lights are flashing. You can see the strobes going off in the condo here. People in their apartment. You can see somebody in the apartment there. That's what happened when the fire alarm goes off. Everything stops, lights flashing. Firemen have to investigate, figure out what's going on, see the cause of the alarm, but it looks like it was a false alarm. The trucks are leaving now.